Welcome back to our beginners Cuban Salsa steps course. This will be another class that is slightly different than others. Instead of teaching you a new footwork, we'll teach you a skill. We already taught you that when we are dancing salsa, we are sticking to the rhythm. We're going normally 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. There is this moment when we have beats on 4 and 8 when we do nothing, we are pausing. Now we'll try to feel these beats with something, and this something will be tap. So I think in the last episode, I already talked a bit about the difference between touching the floor and transferring your weight, shifting weight between your legs. And this is exactly what is happening here. Let's start with maybe basic front and back will be the best example for this exercise. We'll travel front and back 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, instead of pausing halfway through, we'll tap with the foot that is going to continue next. So, what I mean by that, 3 steps normal, left, right, left. The next one would be right, but first I touch the floor, and then I go with the right. 5, 6, 7. Now, continuation would be with the left. So I touch the floor and continue. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. This gives us like this continuity in the rhythm. So we don't have pauses anymore. We feel them with taps. So this is one thing. You can tap in many different ways. You can tap with your toe, you can tap with your heel, you can tap far away from your body, you can tap close. All of this works, and you'll start developing this skill over time. When you're dancing more, you'll start feeling where and when the tap is the most comfortable and when it's looking the best. Because that's another thing. Let's do the basic to the side. 5, 6, 7, nothing. 1, just basic. And now we start tapping. Tap and 1, 2, 3, tap and 5. And suddenly, this steps looks a lot more Latin. 5, 6, 7, tap and 1, 2, 3, tap and 5, 6, 7, tap. It creates extra style. Now, I'm very far away from recommending you tapping all the time. Tap is a tool. When we need it, we use it. When we need speed in dancing, then we don't tap necessarily. But when the song is slow and you feel like, I could add something extra there, then tap is very, very important. From girls' perspective, we talked about it with Ola before we started recording. For example, when we do paseala, girls are changing direction very, very fast with high dynamics, and then it feels like, extra step would be nice, but you don't have extra step, but you have tap instead, and you can get balance back just by tapping while switching direction. Very important skill. Okay, I'll go through many steps, and we'll add tap to all of them. Let's start to basic. With basic 5, no tapping yet, and 1, 2, 3, and now start tapping, tap 1, and now tap with everything, 7, tap, and 1, 2, 3, tap front and back, hop and tap, 1, 2, 3, tap 5, 6, 7, tap 1, 2, 3, tap 5, 6, 7, tap and 1, 3, tap and 5, 6, 7, tap and 1, and 2 flat tap, rotate and hop and tap, back, tiki, tiki, tap, back, tiki, tiki, left, 1, and right, 5, 6, 7, left, 1, and right, 5, 6, 7, left, and 1, 3, hop, hook turn, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap front, 6, 7, tap and go. Okay, now turns, left turn, hop, tap, and 1, 2, 3, and tap, and 5, 6, 7, tap, tricky, and left turn, hop, 6, 7, tap, and 1, 2, 3, and tap, and 5, 6, 7, tap, and 1. And double right, that will be crazy, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, tap, that's tricky, you're losing a lot of momentum. Tap and 1, let's try double right again, hop, 6, 7, tap and 1, 2, 3, tap and 5, 6, 7, tap and 1, exhibela, 5, 6, 7, tap and out and cross and tap and out and cross and tap, 1, 3, tap and 5, 6, 7, tap and 1, 3 and tap and 5, 6, tap and 1, 2, 3, and tap and 5, front, and tap and 1, 2, 3, tap, 6, 7, tap and 1, cross front and back, 6, 7, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, outside, 1, 2, 3, out, 5, 6, and out, 1, 2, and out, 5. So this is one of these moments when it feels like tapping out is a good idea. Tap and 1, 2, 3, and tap, front and back, tap and 1, and tap and 5, and tap, okay. We'll dance it with music. All steps with taps. One more thing. It will not match all footworks we've done so far. So for example, doing rumba with taps doesn't make sense. Doing mambo cubano with taps, you have taps there already. So now we are talking about implementing it into all steps that have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 rhythm. This is where we are using tap. Okay, music. Oh, decent tempo. 1, 3, 5, 6, basic, nothing yet. 5, 6, 7, and 1. And start tapping, hop, tap, tung, 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 tap. Tap, tung, tung, tap. Tap, 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 front and back, tap, 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 right turn, tap, 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 and chufla, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, and front and back, 5, 6, 7, tap and 1, tap 5, tap 1, exhibit last side and go tap 1, tap 5, tap 1, tap 5, tap 1, tap 5, tap 1, tap 5, crazy, eh? And front and go hop 1, left turn, tap 1, tap 5, tap 1, double right, up, and left, up, up, basic, five, 6, 7, picky 1, picky 1, 6, 7, picky 1, mambo cubano, stop tapping, cum, 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 basic, front and tap, rumba, 6, 7, tap and cum, kiki, cum, kikum. Oh, we haven't teach you rumba yet. Yeah, I think we haven't. And front and back? Oh yeah, maybe we do. Yeah, we did? Okay, if we did, that's good. 5, 6, 7, tap, 1. 1, 3, 2, 1. Tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, step, step, tap, step, 1, 3, tap. That feels weird, no? 5, 6, 7, tap, 1, 3, 2, 1. Hop, 1, 2, 3, tap, step, step, tap, step, 1, 3, tap, tap, 1, 5, 6, 7, tap. Okie dokie. Good challenge, good challenge. Like I said before, it's not about tapping all the time, but it is an important skill when you are learning how to dance. And this is definitely something you can practice at home. So if you are struggling with this video, watch it again. And you can watch it over and over. That's the beauty of YouTube. You can also slow it down if necessary. I don't know if you realize of this YouTube feature. If you press in the corner of the screen on the settings icon, you can slow it down even, I think, to quarter of the speed, no? I think it's quarter. That's crazy to watch. Don't watch that. Anyway, if you want to watch the next episode, remember to subscribe, press the bell button. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and you can become a patron of our channel. All links in the description below. See you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.